Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get emotions in Infinite Craft. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Infinite Craft. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you just need to follow my steps and you will be good to go. First, get fire and add wind with it to create smoke. After that, add water and set it aside. Now get earth, add wind, then add earth to get planet and combine it with fog. Then add fog, add love, set it aside, get planet, add fire, add another fire, add planet, set it aside and get water. Again add water, add another water with it and set it aside. Place another water, add earth, add lake, add ocean, add fire, combine system with it, and then add it with heart to get emotions. So that's basically how you can get emotions in Infinite Craft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.